Welcome to Artistry Tips. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Saviland Polygel Kit. I don't think it really has a name. I think it's just one of their polygel kits. Inside, it comes with a catalog of their products, along with some instructions and a thank you card, as well as nail forms and dual forms, base coat, top coat, slip solution, and 7 polygels, along with a brush and a nail file that I didn't show. I will be using their slip solution in today's video along with their brush. And yeah, I just want to give a little review on this. This is my second time doing polygel, so I went ahead and did the swatches off camera. I cured all of them. The one color that doesn't have a nail in it was just clear. I will have all the names in the description box below. I was only disappointed with one color, which was this diamond silver, because it didn't have really any glitter in it. But it was a cheap kit and I'm not mad at it. So this is just a little watch me work type of part of the video. I just wanted to give an honest review on the products. It wasn't bad, but the only thing I do have to say is that the consistency in the colors, like in the consistency of the product in different colors, it was not there. The white was way more easier to work with, and the pink was just a little more on the sticky side, runnier side. No matter how much slip solution I had, the polygel was still sticking to the brush. But other than that, I was not mad at this polygel kit, and I'm actually going to try another kit by them, so don't think this is just a bad review. It's just an honest one. So I went ahead, shaped the nails already, and right here we're going to get into the holiday nails. So I'm taking 2 fingers, one on each hand, and applying a matte top coat. This is also from Makartt. I will leave the link in the description box. I'm curing that for about 60 seconds, and then I'm going to proceed with drawing on the design. So I don't have a palette to put like nail polish on to just like create designs, so I'm just using a piece of foil and putting some nail polish on it because I felt like that was the best thing to use. So yeah, you just use what you got, you know, we don't gotta be too fancy. Gonna throw it out anyway. So I got this nail brush kit on Amazon, and this was one of the brushes that came in it to draw like lines, the other tool to draw like perfect circles, dots on the nails. So this is my first time ever painting on anybody's nails. So I don't know if I was just nervous, but my hand was shaking so bad. So yeah, I mean, it could have been better, but I'm not mad at all with how it came out. I'm actually very proud of myself because honestly, I expected it to turn out a lot worse, but surprisingly, it came out pretty good. So, you know, there's a bunch of different like sweater designs that you could do. This is just the one that I chose with the 2 lines, the little, I guess you could call them S-shaped lines going down the middle. And then I had put some dots along the side of the straight lines, which you'll see me do. you want to get some clear acrylic. I had actually got this from my nail course, so I don't know exactly what brand it is, but any clear acrylic that you have will be fine. So you just want to scoop it up and cover the whole entire nail with the powder. Make sure you don't do as I did and smudge the gel polish by tapping the cuticle pusher on the nail while trying to get the acrylic on there. I messed it up a little bit, but it's okay. So once you have the nail covered, just go ahead and dust off the excess powder and cure it for 60 seconds. I think I cured it for 90 actually, just cure it for 90 to be on the safe side. So right here, I'll be doing the candy cane nails. Again, my first time doing any type of painting on nails, so I just was going with the flow and not trying to be perfect, but also trying to be neat. Just because sometimes, you know, things come out better when you do it the first time rather than trying to keep doing it over and over again, and it just keeps coming out worse. So that's the type of attitude I had with going with this. I was like, let me just try and get it right the first time, and yeah. So for the next hand, you just want to make sure that you do like the same amount of lines, same amount of dots on each hand so they're not looking crazy. So once the nails are cured, you're going to go ahead and add your top coat. I'm using the Valentino Top Coat. I'll leave the link below, but whatever top coat that you have is fine. And then you also want to just wipe the sides of the nails after applying the top coat, just so you don't lose the shape of your nails, because sometimes you'll put the top coat on too thick and then your nails look more rounded rather than what you filed them to be. I hope this video was helpful. I hope I explained it, you know. Oh, and actually don't put the shiny top coat on top of the sweater nail if you do a sweater nail, because that will defeat the whole look that you're supposed to go for. Yeah, I just thought I would mention that. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it is helpful. If you recreate this look, make sure to hashtag artistry tips, like, comment, subscribe, and tune into the next video.